how to use the Arpeggiator MIDI effect in Logic Pro X. We're going to stick to the previous lesson here. We just laid our quick chords. Now we're going to take those and destruct them by duplicating them. Just duplicate that down so you have 2 instances of it. And on the second one, we're going to add the Arpeggiator. This right away, as soon as you start going through the presets, will start to chop it up into creative little formats. And you have options here for variations that are pre-programmed and how much of the octave range you want it to cover. 1 octave, 2, 3, and 4. Let's just start with 1 to keep it simple so you understand what's going on here now. And let me solo the second layer for a second too. Okay, so now we're going to unmute the first layer and to give them a bit of differentiation on that first piano, let's take out all the highs. So we just have a nice muffled lower end on one piano and then the twinkling on the other side. And you can manually change all of these. You can tell it if you want it to go up, down, both directions, etc. Slow it down or go faster based on your rate of how you want it to sync to your beat. And it's a beautiful way to get going if you're literally stuck creatively and know how to play or don't know how to play. But you will have to know what chords do and don't work with each other. And either you're going to know by ear, it just doesn't sound right until it does, or maybe get yourself a chord progression chart and learn what should be progressing before and after what and what doesn't work with what. And literally in less than a minute or two, we have 2 beautiful piano layers. I added some drums, some bass, stereo imaged them by panning them a little bit, and we have something wonderful. Okay, so that is a quick tutorial on how to use the Arpeggiator as a MIDI effect in Logic Pro X.